Sushmita, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening. You're audible, sir.
Okay, okay. I have joined. Huh? Okay. That's
Yeah,
good.
okay, sir. I'll play the video till 7:05, sir. After 7:05, you
Okay,
can
okay.
start.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR. Prime spot conveniently at just a 5-minute walk from IC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms with high-definition projectors and farthest point in the room. A hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a light classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly, right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
Good evening, all. Dear students, I request please inform your friends to join the session as Sachin sir is going to start the session now. Sir, good evening. You can start the session, sir.
Just give me 1 minute, huh? I'll start.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, guys. So very good evening, everyone. Okay, one. I'll just open my. Okay, we go to the 1 minute, guys. Okay. So hello everyone, very good evening, guys. So today we are going to discuss the following topics: advanced Excel formulas for analytic focus, like logical functions, if, and, or, lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, indexes, matches, okay, and conditional calculations around. So these are the things which we are going to discuss over here today, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with that. So we are going to talk about the logical functions over here. So logical functions in a Microsoft Excel, like if, and, or, are used to make the decisions. And those decisions are going to be based on the some conditions. So they are widely used in a business scenarios like eligibility checks, performance evaluation, financial analysis, and automation. So if you remember yesterday also we tried to use if, but I have not explained in that detail. It just was a for the particular situation. But today we are going to discuss about that. So we are trying to understand here what is if function. Suppose on the basis of particular condition, you want to take any particular decision. So if that condition is true, then you'll go ahead with a particular condition, decision. And if it is not true, then you will drop that decision. Okay. So I'll just open up Pent and through that I'll try to explain. Okay. So suppose there is a one question. First of all, I need to start. Suppose we have kept it here start. Okay. Okay, and there will be any question. Then here, any question like, is it raining outside or not and all. So on the basis of true, false, suppose if it is a true, okay, then in that case we'll perform the action 1. Okay. True, okay. And if it is false, then we may stop that. So I'm just explaining through the visualization. So there is nothing like particular symbol as used for what and all. Stop if it is false. Okay. So like that, we are taking a decision. If it is true, I will perform action 1. If it is false, I will stop. So that is the task of this if over here. Okay. So if function is for the decision making. So what it does? So if function check a condition and return. So one value if it is true, another value if it is false. So normally what is the syntax? So you guys can observe the syntax over here. I'll just highlight that. So you can see here, if first of all you need to specify the condition. First of all, you need to specify the condition. Then if this condition is true, then we'll first give the some value for true. If not, then second value false. Are you guys getting the syntax of this? Hello? See, we'll give the condition. Obviously, we'll see the example. And then if it is true, then first thing will happen. Otherwise, second thing will happen. Okay? Okay. Now, what we are going to do here, I will just go and open an Excel sheet. Okay, and in that, wait a minute. Okay, so in this, we are trying to understand whether student is pass or fail. Okay. So what I will do, I'll simply take the data, very simple data, where we have the student name and their marks. Okay. And in that, we are going to apply the, if the marks are greater than 40, then and then only it will be pass. Otherwise, it will be fail. So that's what we are going to perform over here. So I will add a few more students. Rahul. Raj. Okay, and I will enter some more marks. Okay, and here we'll add one more column, result. Now guys, see here, I'm going to apply the formula equal to, and I'll try to increase the font. Wait. Now, here I'll use a equal to if, and in bracket, we'll select this marks. Okay, so address of this is B2. So if B2 is greater than or equal to 40, okay, the condition is, logical test condition is a B2 is greater than or equal to 40. So in that case, we'll say he is a pass. Okay, if not, then we'll simply say here fail. Okay, and we'll put it in double quote, then close the bracket. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so similar way we can drag that, but still I will write down more time. So again I'll explain. If now this time B3, if it is greater than or equal to 40, then in that case it will be pass, or we'll say fail. Okay, and then bracket close, right? So one more time I'll tell you, if in bracket we'll take this time B4 is greater than or equal to 40, then comma, if it is true, then we need to pass here pass. If it is false, then we need to pass here fail. Okay, so like that we are going to use the if, and if you want to drag it, you can simply drag like this, so it will be applicable for all the columns. Is it okay, guys? Have you understood the if function over here, or what is the use of if function over here? Okay, so guys, I will request you all, you can take a 2-3 minutes of time, you can try this, and after that we will go ahead. Okay, we'll discuss further after that. Try it, I will repeat, no issue. So see here, I will add one more data. Sudhir, and I'll add some marks. So the formula is like equal to if B7 is greater than or equal to 40. If it is true, it will say pass, otherwise it will say fail. Okay. Samiksha, is that okay? Okay. Please try that, then we'll go ahead. Okay, guys. So I hope you are done with that. Let's move ahead now. Now, guys, next case study. You can see here employee bonus eligibility. Okay. So if we are giving here company give the bonus only if salary is greater than 50. So what we'll do, we'll go to the Excel. Okay, I'll just stop this show formula. So here I'm going to create a first column employee. And here we'll talk about city. And here I want to give the salary. Okay, so employee, maybe A employee, B employee, C employee. Then we have a D employee, E employee, only E. Then F employee. And then we'll put the city over there. So city may be the HYD, Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, and here again Pune and Delhi. Okay, so now I'm going to put the salary over here. Suppose somebody is earning 40,000, 60,000, 45,000. Somebody is having 70,000, 80,000, and 34,000. Okay, so these are the salaries are there. Now what I want to do, if you observe that we need to give the bonus of 10% if that person is having a salary more than 50. Okay, so we need to calculate here bonus. So how will we calculate that? Equal to if, and in bracket we'll say if this salary is greater than okay, so if H2 is greater than or equal to 5,000, okay, then in that case, I would like to calculate the 10% of that. So again, I will select the H2 into 0.10. Okay. And if it is not greater than 50,000, then I want H2 only. Okay. Try to understand. Now I'm changing that pass and fail. So if H2 is greater than or equal to 50, I want H2 should be multiplied by 0.10, or else simply H2 should be get printed. So you can see here it is printing H2. Again, I'll repeat, equal to if, in bracket, we are saying here H3 is greater than or equal to 50,000. Okay. So in that case, I want this H2, sorry, H3 now multiply by 0.10. Okay. Else H3 only. Okay. And then I will close the bracket and hit enter. So can you see here? It has calculated the 10% of that. Again, I will take here equal to if. So in bracket, I'll simply say this H4 is greater than or equal to 50,000. Okay. If it is there, I want that H4 should be multiplied by 0.10, or else I want H4 only, and bracket close. Okay. So 1 minute. So like that, I'm calculating, right? So I will simply say this time drag it. Okay. Now, once it is done, I want here total salary. Okay. Total sal. So in that simply I will do equal to, okay, now see here. If now here I am using different condition little. If this HL2 equal to L3, sorry, H2, if they are both same, so in that case, I want total should be H2 only. Okay. If it is not same, then I want this H2. Okay. I want here, let me try with this H2 plus I2. Okay. Let me check, guys, whether it is working or not. Please wait. No. So we cannot use that plus. Okay. So here, we'll try to use here equal to sum of this plus this and, oh, sorry, this plus this, okay, and hit yes, I will zoom, wait a minute, and hit enter. Okay, formula is having some, okay, so we cannot use like this here, so we need to find out some other option. So in the bonus column, be like, that is formula, we have written that. I'm talking about total cell. Can we try by removing I2? 1 minute, 1 minute, please wait. Just a minute, wait, guys. Sum in bracket, I'll simply take this and this. Can hit enter. Okay, fine. Now, guys, see here, I will drag this. So you can observe here, I will show the formulas. See here. One. I'll explain everything. Wait a minute. Guys, see here. If, first of all, bonus, I'm not going to take anything. Please just give me a 2 minute of time. 2 minutes of time. Let me explain. And then you guys go ahead. Okay. 1 minute. So, first of all, I want to calculate the 10% of bonus if the salary is greater than or equal to 50,000. So that's why if H2 is greater than or equal to 50,000, then H2 into 0.10 means 10% I want to calculate. If it is not greater than 50, if H2 is not greater than or equal to 50,000, then it's simply same as it is H2 I want. Yes, correct, guys. Now, I have done a mistake here. If it is not greater than, then simply it should be 0. It should be 0. Correct. Okay, by mistakenly I have done that. So similar way here also I need to make the 0. It should not take that value. So obviously in that case our formula will become easier for the next one. Okay. So wherever it is correct. But I have resolved that also. This way also we can do. This way also we can do. That is a bit more complicated, but in both way we can do. Is it okay? So what I will do, I'll keep as it is because one way you already know. Right. Guys, here, I am here to explain the things. I am not here to go fast here and there. So please try to understand. So that's why I know that there are many things even I can complete in 10 minutes. So that's not an issue. So purposefully, I am explaining like that. Okay. So I know that you can drag. So that's why I've shown you. I have drag also in that case. Okay. So we can do it like this also, and the way you guys are saying, that will be much easier one. So you can do like that also. Is it okay, guys? Mustafa, is that fine? Your way is also correct. That's not a problem. Okay. So you guys try this and then we will go ahead. You have 2 minutes. If you have any question, query, you can feel free to ask and then we will go ahead. Okay, guys. So let's move ahead now. Sunny, I don't have idea about that recorded link, but I will convey your message to the team. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now, guys, we are going to talk about AND function now, and multiple condition if you want to give. So in that case, we can use the AND function. Okay. So you can see here the case study where loan approval status. So bank approve the loan only if salary is greater than 30,000 and credit score is a 700. Okay. So what we will do, we will go back to the one. We will go back to the Excel. Okay. And here I am going to create I'm here going to create like let's take here a name. Okay, I will first of all I will try to increase this. Okay, name. Then we have a salary. Then we have a credit score. Okay. And then we have a status. Status. Okay. Now here I'm taking some name like Raj, Rahul, Rohit, Suresh. Okay, salary or 1 minute. Let me recheck the condition. So if salary is 30,000 and 700. Okay. So I'll put 33,000 for this or 25,000 for this. And Rohit will be again 45,000 over here. And this will be again 20,000. And credit score will give here 765. We'll give him here 800. Okay. We'll give him here very little less purposefully 550. Okay. And again here less 450. Okay. So now guys, our condition is that if salary is greater than 30,000 and score is greater than 700, then only we need to give the loan. Means we need to say yes. Our status will say pass. Otherwise loan fail. Right? So that condition is there. So we are going to use and. And means what? If both the conditions are true or not. So we'll say if first. Okay, and in that we'll use a logical operator and. Okay, so here I'm going to give the first one. If salary is greater than or equal to 30,000. Okay, second one, if credit score is greater than or equal to 700. Okay, now bracket close. So this is a and. So if this giving the true, then I want to say loan pass. Loan pass. Okay, but if it is not true, then I want to say here loan. We cannot. That is a financial term, credit score, your credit score. You know, when you do transaction, CIBIL is there. So that CIBIL score is there. So on your transactions and all, they will give you the CIBIL is there. So there is a one authority, they will create your CIBIL score. Okay, so you can see here. So if I'm saying if in that and B2 is greater than 30,000 and C2 is greater than 700, then and then only loan pass, otherwise loan fail. Even one condition is true, another condition is false. So it is not going to work over here. Okay, it will say fail only. So you can see here, I can drag this if you want. Somebody gave me the suggestion, drag it. So you are able to see. So all other fail because only in Raj condition, we are able to satisfy both the things. Salary also greater than 30,000 and credit score is also greater than 765. Is that okay, guys? Have you understood this and one? Hello, please reply. Okay, please try this and then we will go ahead. Please try it. You have 2-3 minutes of time. Please try it, then we'll move on. Okay, guys. So I hope you are done. Let's move ahead now. Fine. Great. So this example, I hope fine. And now, okay. Now next one is the OR, guys. So the way we have the AND, okay. So say in some other way, like if you want only even the one condition is true, you want result should be true. So in that case, we are going to use the OR function, okay. So we are going to talk about the scholarship eligibility over here. So where we are going to check the student eligibility if marks are greater than 90, and or if it is post quota means any one is okay, then he is a eligible. Okay, he is a eligible, otherwise not eligible. And getting, so I'm going to create that scenario over here. So we'll simply go here. I'm going to write 1 minute. Let me increase the. Okay, so we'll say student name, and then we have here student name. Fine. Next one is the marks, and next one is the sports. Okay, so we want students, some so student Raj. Okay, then the marks we are putting first, I'll give 90, another one 86, another one 45, another one 92, another one 78. Okay, so here I'm saying yes, so both are true, anyhow it is going, but here I'm doing yes, here I'm saying no, here I'm saying no, and here I'm saying no. Okay, so different condition. So we are going to talk about the status over here. Okay, so how I'll use this equal to if. Okay, I want or any one condition true, I want it is okay, true. So that's why I'm using a true. Okay, so logic is like marks are greater than or equal to 90. That is the first condition. Second one, sports equal to, we'll simply say, let's check double equal to yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. If marks are greater than or equal to 90, and if C2 yes, okay, fine, 2, then we will say eligible. Okay. Else we'll say not eligible. If both the condition are false, then we'll say not eligible. Oh, 1 minute. If here, okay, a single equal to, guys, I have given double equal to, that is single equal to is fine. So we'll hit enter. Okay, and like that we can drag as you guys said. Okay, so you can see here, even here the marks are greater than 90, and if sports quota no, still he is eligible. Here you can see marks are less than 90, but sports quota is yes, then he is eligible. Okay, and if both the condition false, then and then only it is a not eligible. Are you guys getting this or one? Have you understood? Hello? Okay, try this, guys, for 2-3 minutes, then we will go ahead. Take a 2-3 minutes of time, try it. If you have any question also, you can feel free to ask. Then we'll go ahead. Please try it. Mustafa, you can use it, but it is depends on your condition. If you want both the things true, so in that case you cannot go for or. If you're okay with the any one condition, okay, in that case you can go for or. It is totally depends on your question. Is it okay, Mustafa? Okay, so see the Rahul condition. So in Rahul condition, marks are not greater than 90, but his sports quota is yes. So as I told you, even one condition satisfied, he is eligible. Is it okay, Nitya? Guys, I'm not saying anything. I have given a time to complete that practice, then we'll go ahead. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Ekansh. Okay, guys, let's move ahead now. Now we can combine the and or also. Okay. So employee bonus decision like bonus given if sales is greater than 50,000 and rating is greater than 4, then we'll say bonus. That is fine. That is simple. And we have done that and or correct. That's it. Okay, so we have done example. So later on I will upload this document. So once I got it that, so in that you guys can try that. Okay, well, do one thing, na? I don't think so. You all are clear with the if, and, or? Yes, everyone, please reply. If, and, or is okay for you all? Okay, great. So I hope everyone is clear with that. Great. No problem, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the session. Learning as well as enjoying both the. Okay. Now, guys, next one is the lookup function. So in a Microsoft Excel, lookup is a very important function. Okay. So lookup function in a Microsoft Excel are used to search for a value in a data set, and 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me close this up. And return the related information. So they are fundamental in real world tasks like data merging, reporting, validation, and dashboard and all. Okay. So there you can create the all those things. So below is detailed explanation. So we are going to see the vertical lookup first. Okay. So V stand for vertical, H stand for horizontal. So what it does, search from the value in the first column of a table and return the corresponding value from the another column in the same row. Okay. So you can see here in 1 minute. Let me highlight that. So if we look up first, lookup value, the value which you want to search, then the table array, their column index number, and their range lookup over there. Okay. So normally exact match always. So we are going to use a false only. Please remember, we are going to take the exact match and we'll use the false only. Okay. So let's take this data set and try to understand through this. Okay, I'll just try to increase. Fine. Okay, great. We'll enter here. Okay, now we'll go back. So see, a problem is that find the salary of employee ID 102. Okay. So how we are going to do that, right? So for doing, this is a vertical table. So we are going to use the VLOOKUP over here. Okay. So let's go there. Suppose I would like to find the salary of employee ID 102. So I'm writing down here 102. So here we'll say equal to. So VLOOKUP. Okay. Now lookup value. So I want to look for 102, or else you should not go for this. If you want to search from here, select this. Okay. Comma. Then table array. So complete table you have to select. Okay. Comma. Column index. So salary lies in which column? First, second, third. So that's why I'm giving third. And at last, I want false. So exact match. So I will say false. And then bracket close. And hit enter. So can you see here? It is giving me the salary for 102. Similar way, if I would like to search for 103, I'll simply say here equal to VLOOKUP. Okay. And here I will say logical lookup is this. Sorry, lookup value, comma. Then table array is this. Then column index is 3. Oh, sorry, 3. And then exact match false. Okay, so this is for VLOOKUP. Is it okay? Very easy. Okay. Now, guys, what I will do, I'll take this table only. I'll copy this, and while pasting here, I am going to use a paste spatial, and I will take a transpose of that. Means vertical, I'm converting into the horizontal. Is it okay? So I just copied that. Right click, paste spatial. In that, I have selected the transpose. So I don't want to do all those things. So that's why. Now again here, now this time my table is a horizontal. So I want the salary of 101. So how can I do that? Equal to H lookup. 1 minute. Some messages are there. Column index means which column you are there. Okay. Wait a minute. I will re-explain. No issue. Wait a minute. Let me try the first H lookup. H lookup means horizontal table. Okay, horizontal table. So in horizontal table, what we are going to do, H lookup. Okay. So first of all, lookup value means for which value you want to find the salary. So I want for 101. So I selected that, comma. From where? So from this table. So table array, full table array. Okay, comma. Now here in the H lookup, we have a row index. In V lookup, we have a column index. So H lookup, see, first row, second row, third row. So salary lies in a third row. That's why I'm taking a 3. And exact match I want. That's why I'm taking a false. Okay, and then I will close this and hit enter. So it will give me the salary of that person. Is it okay, Bhavya? Have you're getting this? H lookup. Again, I'll try it for 103 equal to H lookup. Again, I'm repeating H lookup. Okay. So try to understand for which value you want salary, Bhavya. Now in this, Shilpa, wait, I will do that. Explain that. Bhavya, tell me for which value I want to calculate, find out the salary now. Now, in this example, current example. Tell me value. Value for which employee ID I am searching a salary now. 103. Good. So it is in D13, not in D14. So D13. Okay. Comma. Now, where this salary lies in which table? Which table? So whole table you have to select. Is it okay? Second is a table where you need to select. Right? Comma. Then see, first is a value for value which you want to take the salary. Second is a table from where. Next is a row index number. So salary lies in which row in that table? First row is employee ID. Second row is a name. Third row is a salary. So can we say here 3? Yes, Bhavya. Can we say 3 over here? Hello. Okay, 3, comma. Now I want exact match. That's why I'm saying false. And then bracket close and hit enter. Is it okay now? H lookup over here. Okay, now V lookup also I will repeat. So I will go for 101 now. Okay, so see here, false means exact match. I want exact 103. I don't want any difference in that. Exact as it is 103 over there. Wait a minute. Now V lookup also I will tell you equal to V lookup. Okay. So sorry. V lookup. Now lookup value. So lookup value means which you want to search. So right now for which I am going to search the salary. For which ID I am trying to search the salary. For which ID I am trying to search the salary, guys. 101, right? Then comma. Then from which table now? This time table is a different. This one, right? Comma. Then we are taking column. So salary lies in which column now? Employee ID 1, name is 2, salary is into the which column, guys? Yes, Bhavya, in which column salary lies? Hello, 3, correct. Okay, comma, an exact match is a false. And then close and enter. Understood? Okay, now Shilpa, I'll come back to your question, how to transpose. So first of all, you need to copy that table. Select any other cell, right click over there. In right click, there is an option called as a paste special. In that, there is an option called as a transpose, paste special transpose. Just say okay. It will be convert into the vertical into the horizontal. Is that okay, Shilpa? Are you there? Have you understood this? Okay. Yes, Shilpa. So do you have any large amount of data? Mustafa, I need to explain here. You can take any amount of data. Any amount of data. Okay. So there is a no logic large and small. Which one you want, Sneha? H lookup or V lookup? Okay, H lookup. So in that case, we will use the horizontal lookup. Okay. See here, Sneha. Find the reference value. Any value you can find out with ID, name, and all everything. Any field. So in bank, suppose bank account number, their balance you want. So if that kind of a table is there, like that you can find out. Now wait, Sneha, see here. So I want to find out the salary of 102. Okay. So how can I do that? Equal to H lookup. Okay. So first one is the lookup value, means for which you want to find the salary. So I want to find the salary for 102. Okay. Then after next, then from where I need to find out salary. So from this table, so whole table. Okay, first is a lookup value, second is a table, third is a row index number. So salary lies in, Sneha, tell me in this table, salary lies in which row index? So employee ID is a one row, name is a second, salary is a third. So where the salary lies? Sneha, third, correct. Okay, so third will be there, comma, and I want exact mark, so false I am using. Okay, and then bracket close, hit enter. Is it fine? One more, Ishwari, I think one girl is asking how to take transpose. So again, last time I'm repeating, guys. So how to take a transpose? Select the any table. Okay, I will reconvert now horizontal to vertical. So let's select the horizontal one. Copy that. Control C, or you can use that. So you can click anywhere. Then right click Ishwari, and then go to the paste special. You have to go to the paste special. Okay, click on paste special, and there you have to select the transpose. What you need to select, guys? Transpose. Ishwari, see, right click, paste special, transpose, and just say okay. Is it okay, Ishwari, to convert the horizontal? Same way. Okay. So guys, now I'll show you the formula also here. So all the formulas are here. 1 minute. So VLOOKUP formula is there. HLOOKUP formula is here. Okay. So please practice this, everyone, for next 2-3 minutes, and then I will continue. Is that okay? Can you try that, everyone? Please reply. Have you understood? Have I clear? Have I explained properly to everyone? Have I answered your question? Okay. Please do it. Monishri, about feedback link, as per my knowledge, I think they share after 8:30. Okay. You have not liked my session, so you are waiting for feedback link. Is it like that? Okay. That all I think after 8:30 only they share. No, I have not completed. See, yesterday I have observed when I explain everything, okay, and at the end some guy put there, I don't have a laptop or I don't and all. So I thought I should not do like that. I should give that some time to try the things, ask the question, and then go ahead. That's why I'm doing like this. Is it okay, Moneshri? Okay, now guys, the third one is the X lookup, which is the modern lookup one. Okay, so we'll talk about that now. So what it does, so powerful replacement for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, this XLOOKUP, okay, it allow flexible lookup in any direction and handle error effectively. So in HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP in only one direction it was allowed, but in XLOOKUP it is not like that. It will be allowed in any direction. So let me highlight the syntax. So you can see here we get to practice. This is okay, sir. Okay, Nitya, correct. No problem. I'll give. Okay, so X lookup, okay. Then in that first is the lookup value which you want to search. Second one is the lookup array, means the whole table. Third one is the return array, and last one is the if not found. That condition we need to specify. Okay. So let's go, and this is, please try to focus here. So this is bit different thing. Okay, so we'll take the one case study which is the employee salary one. Okay, I think the previous data is also same, right? Okay, yes, it's same. So we'll use that only. So in X lookup, see here, if you want to find out for 102, so 102, then the A2 to A3, okay, from ID where and salary C2 to C3 and not found and like that. Okay, so now we will try to perform that on our table. So what I'm going to do, guys, I will just copy this data. Okay, I'll add the new sheet. Okay, wait a minute. Let me increase the little font. Zoom it. Oh, I zoom. Okay, now here, see, I'm going to find out the salary for 102. Okay, so but I want in any direction. So X lookup I am going to use. So some people may okay. In my case, X lookup is not available. But guys, what I will do, I will explain the formula X lookup. Okay, then in that first I need to select this. Okay, comma. Then I need to select where the employee ID lies. Okay, where the employee ID lies. So that column I need to select. Okay, A2 to A4. Then where the salary lies. Okay, and then if not found, we'll simply say not found. Okay, so I will request you in your case, please try this. Okay, in my case, version it is not, XLOOKUP is not working. I know. Can you guys please try it in your and let me know? Hello, guys. Please try it and let me know whether it is working or not. Yes, I will repeat again. See here, X lookup. Then which Nitya, which Excel version you have? See X lookup. Then the value which you need to find out, that is E2, that is 102. Then that value lies in which column? So that column we selected, comma. Then the value which you want to find, that column we need to select, and then If it is not found, we can give the not found. Is it okay, guys? 2007, it won't work. Even I have that only. I have in other system 2021. So in that it works. Okay. So everyone try this. I need a 2 minutes out. Okay. I want 2 minutes out. Can I take that 2 minutes out, guys? Hello? Hello, everyone. Please reply. So try XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP and all, and then we'll go ahead. Okay. Please wait. So Naveen, which version you have? So Naveen got it. Which version you have, Naveen? This laptop. Okay, okay. Mustafa, you also got it. Very good. So it's because of version, but otherwise the things which we have seen, it's fine. Fine, seems fine. Okay. Okay, great, great guys. Very good, very good. Appreciated, appreciated. 1 minute, now. Okay, now we'll go for next. Okay, so we are going to talk about the index. So index, we are going to use return a value from a table based on row number and column number. So depend on the row number and column number, it is going to return the value. So don't worry, through example, you will understand in more clear way. So you can see here, try to first check the syntax. So index, then array, okay, whichever, then row number and the column number. Okay. So you can see here, we have a name and salary in that index. So it is saying B2 to B3 means this obviously salary will be there. And we are giving the comma, so that is a row number or column. So obviously it is a vertical one, so we'll use the column number, that is the second column. So it will give us the value like 60,000 over there. Okay, second one, second row, second column. Okay, so let's go and try this in the Excel. Wait a minute. So you'll get a more clarity on that. Okay, here only I will try that index equal to index. Okay. So you can see here array. So array, it means where we want to find out that salary, right? Now you want to specify which column or index. So let's take a 2, right? And we'll hit enter. So can you see the second position? So in particular row, particular index value you need to search. So in that you can go for the index. Is it okay? Similar way, suppose I would like to find out in a row wise. So in that case also I can use equal to index. Okay, I want to find out the name now. So from here, so this row, comma, second only. So can you see here I'm getting name? Is it okay, guys? Are you getting this? Hello? One minute. Okay, great. Yes, I will explain again. No issue. So see here, suppose I want to search from this second column, third value. So I'll say equal to index. Okay. So second column I will select. So if I'm selecting with name, then I have to mention the fourth value. Okay. Fourth value. And then hit enter. So I'll get a Neha, fourth value, right? So if I want the second value, so again index, this column, comma, so third value. So that is Ravi. Okay. But I want in other. So you can go horizontally, you can go vertically also. So I will say index. And then I will take here, comma, I want the second. So obviously Neha. I will show you the formula. Is it okay? Are you getting this? Wait a minute. Some messages are there. Yes, some people are more interested in as attendance. When it will come, you guys are able to see. Sir, I got idea, but where to use? Jagan, if you want to find anything, you can use that. Okay. If you want to find out anything, for that you can use it. You want to search or something into the big data. So, okay. Next. Yes, Shilpa, you can use it. Okay. Now match. So find the position, row or column number. So here in index, we are getting value. In index, we are getting value of that place. In match, we are getting the position only. We are in match, we are getting the position only. Okay. Arey Jagan, there are many things. Even you don't need to learn the Excel also nowadays. Okay. So there are scripts available. Just put that, run that script. Everything will be available, right? But we should know, so that we should learn the things. So we can create something which will be according to the problem. So wherever you stuck, you might recall, okay, in this situation, we can use this. In this situation, we can use that. So like that, things we can do. So right now also, to be very honest, I am a trainer, so I will not lie with you guys. So many times when that particular kind of a situation occur, that time we use uh, that kind of a formula. So it is not like that every time you will be having like this. So you will get this and only. Sometimes you should know the syntax. You should know that thing concept. So when you will stuck, you are able to get that. Is it okay, Jagan? Sorry, Jung. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Tarini. Tarini is there. I'm sorry. Okay. So guys, about the match. So let me highlight this. Syntax of that. So match is there, lookup value, lookup array, and match type. So you know that 0 for exact match, 1 for that match. So again, so suppose I want to match for Ravi, their position I want, okay. So let's go here. So I'll say here equal to match. Okay, and I want lookup value Ravi. So wait a minute. Before that, let me type here Ravi. Okay, Ravi's position I want. Okay, so I'll say equal to. I think Tarini has not replied. You are not okay with my reply? Yes, Tarini. Okay. So match, right? So I want Ravi. Okay. So in which column it is? Here. And I want exact match. So 0. Okay. And hit enter. So right now, obviously, I have to say show formula. So can you see here? Ravi position is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I want 60,000 salary. Okay. 60,000 salary match. So I'll simply say 60. Okay. I'll use here equal to match. Okay. Then, oh, 1 minute. Let me close. You can open the help also, guys. Like that, you can click on that. So you are able to read out about that formula also. So all example and all, if you want, you can practice more in future. So lookup value. So we'll take us this 60,000, right? In which array? Here I want. And then the exact match. Third one. Okay, so I will show formula. So I'll request you, can you guys please explore the index and match for 2-3 minutes and then we'll go ahead. Okay, some replies are there. See somebody waiting for attendance. You are okay, Nitya. I will repeat. See here. If I would like to suppose I want to match the Neha. Okay, so I will simply say here equal to match. So I want this Neha, comma, in which column it is. Okay, second is a what, first one is a what you match. Second is a which column, then exact match 0. And now I'll say show formula. So fourth position. Is it okay, Neha? Hello, Neha. Is that fine? Are you there, Neha? Okay, guys, please try this and then we'll go ahead. Tarini, about that, I don't have an idea. To be very honest, about that, I don't have idea. Okay, you raised it. So you can tell them. So if Sushmita, if you are listening, please look into that. Okay, that Tarini is having some issue regarding the attendance of yesterday's session. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the conditional. Formula just to see. Formula that. X lookup and Lava V lookup. Wait a minute. So see here, first of all, I will explain here, Lavanya, about the index. So in index means we are trying to find out the position. So if you see here in index, I'm saying B1 to B4, I want the salary. So sorry, I want the name. So I will say B1 to B4, and then I will pass the index of that 4. So index will give me the value. Is it okay, Lavanya? Index will give me the value. So can you see here? Index is giving me the value. Yes, Lavanya, is it okay? Index. Hello, are you there? Lavanya, are you there? Can you hear me? If somebody please reshare that attendance link in the chat box. One minute, somebody is asking something. Sir, 2 days, so I will attend the class now onwards. Either I get 60%. They already said na 60% attendance. 60%. What is the criteria, guys, for that certificate and all? Anyone remember? 60. Okay. Lavanya, are you there? For you, I am explaining. Have you understood index now? So index will give you the value of that particular position. So like you can select the any column or row and you just give the position, it will give you the value of that position. Okay, that is the index. And about the X lookup, which is not working in my case. Okay. So wait a minute, where I put the X lookup? Here. So in X lookup, first of all, the value which you want to look up, comma, then where A2 to A4 means you have to where that in which column that value or row that value lies, comma, and which value you want to search, that is C2 to C4. Okay, and comma, then if not found, you just give the message not found. Yes, Lavanya, is that okay? X lookup and index for you? I hope they are there. Now see, conditional calculation in Microsoft Excel mean performing the calculation only when certain condition are made. So instead of calculating all data, you apply the logic if and all, which I have seen. Okay. So what are the condition calculation? So we'll see some example of that. So condition calculation, like check a condition, perform a calculation based on true false. Okay. So you can see here if A2 is greater than 5,000, then A2 into 10. So guys, if you remember, we have seen this example also. So calculating the bonus of 10%, like that only. Do you remember the first example that calculating the bonus 10%? Hello? Yes, guys. So there is a conditional format. Yes, okay. So we'll see that some example also over here. So sales discount, you can see here. Now I want you guys should try this. So please create a data set first. Please create the data set first. Everyone create that data set. So in your system, you have to try. Okay, please first create the data set and then we will go ahead. Okay, please. This customer purchase. Customer purchase is the first column and then amount is the second column. Okay. Okay, Lavanya, no problem, no problem. Okay, guys, have you created data set? That's great. Now you can see here, we are applying a formula. 5,000 will be 10% and above 5,000 or 5,000 equal to 5%. Okay. So we'll simply say here if B2, okay, I will do it with you. One minute, guys. This is very easy. What we already done this. No problem. We'll do it. Guys, 1 minute. I'm trying to increase this. Okay, leave it. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the data, right? Now I want the bonus here. So I'll simply say here equal to 1 minute. Let me check the condition again. Okay, B2 greater than 5,000. Okay, then 10% or else 5%. Okay, no problem. Equal to if, okay, and we are saying this is B2 is greater than 5,000. Okay, then we'll say value should be B2 into 10% means 0.10 comma else B2 into 0.5 bracket close and hit enter. Okay, understood this one, guys? So conditional calculation. Hello, guys. Are you getting this? Can you try this and then we'll go ahead. Okay, see here, Ruchi. So we are using a condition. If B2 value is greater than 5,000, it will give, we'll calculate bonus 10%. If it is not, then calculate the bonus 0.5%. Is it okay? Understood now, Ruchi? Okay, so if anyone has not understood, let me know. Or please practice that. Okay, please. Please try this and then we'll go ahead. Okay, guys, so still we have a 10 minutes, but still I would like to ask everyone that any feedback, any suggestion for the session? Have you enjoy or have you learned the things? Anything positive, negative feedback, guys? Please let me know in a chat box. So it will be a great thing for me. Thank you, guys. Okay, please try that. Thank you, guys. Yes. Yes, Matre, you are from where? Thank you, Sneha. Okay, Ruchi, very good. Oh, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Great, great. Okay, Mumbai itself. So I thought Navi Mumbai. Okay, no problem. Can you try this one? I want you should please send the attendance. Hey, I don't have anyone. Please share the attendance link. Someone want that. Ah, yes, sir. Okay. Now, guys, see here. You have to create the data set. Okay. And then I will tell you what to do. You have to do it now. Okay. This is your task. Please try this one. Thank you, Kalyani. Everyone, please create this data set first. Thank you, Ruchi. Please create this data set. Mustafa, you can try the same thing. Na? You can take big data set on and in that you can try. So here I need to explain the things. Na? I don't want to make more complicated to the others. So if you understood, you can practice it on the bigger data set. That's not a problem. That's not a big difference. So it's all about the cell address. So we are taking the cell address now. Thank you, Nitya. It's just a topic. So we talk about if and or, we talk about VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, we talk about index and match, we talk about conditional calculation. So we have done that, right, Afan? So this is just for topic for my reference I'm keeping. What we take out from match and index. So see here, Bhavya, from match, we are from index, we are getting the position. Sorry, in index, 1 minute. In index, we are getting the value. And for match, we are getting the position. Is it okay, Bhavya? Please, I hope you created the data set. Now condition C, salary greater than 50,000, rating greater than 4, then and 90%, then and then only you have to give the bonus. So try this solution, guys. Try this solution. XLOOKUP is a modern lookup, which will give you the freedom to look up backward, forward any way. Okay. In HLOOKUP only forward way. VLOOKUP only forward way. Okay, Harita? So you can see solution also. Please try this. Okay. Yes, guys, I am also done for today. So if you have anything, you can feel free to ask. And after some time, even I will stop the session. Okay. Very good, Lavanya. Very good. Okay, Ruchi, very good. Very good, very good. Yes, any question, any query till here? Combination we have checked now, or and or. Okay, very good, Nitya. Monishri, I have that for you, where you will combine or and. Okay, that situation you find out. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for attending this session. I hope I have tried my best to reply your queries and questions. Okay. That's what I'm Monishri. I'm asking you come up with the situation, then I will merge because there is a no logic of merging the and all together. Okay, Nitya, thank you, thank you, thank you everyone. Okay, Sanmay, Snam. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. Okay, guys. So then, bye, guys. Okay. So we'll wind up a session over here. So, is there anyone from ExcelR? Okay, Monishri, very good. So you have combined that. Very good, no issue. So like that can scenario you can create, no problem. No, Pranay, people don't prepare that. That's why people don't. So I just put it there important for interview. Okay, there is a no logic. So people only go for VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and they don't prepare. That's why. It is not like that. Why? Just put it. Okay, guys, then bye, everyone. Yes, Sushmita, are you there? Can we wind up a session now?
Yeah, yes, sir, we can wind up. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you all.
bye.
Good
Have a
night.
wonderful Wonderful evening, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Bye.